semester class for programming design course. Okay, so I wanted to say it's been a good semester. I think we have learned some things together and explored some things together, right? One thing is the final scores will be computed in the next 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, keep checking your learning system. You will get emails. So unfortunately, 2 students from our class will fail. There's pretty much nothing I can do about it. I've talked to them, and it's just the scores that they have in the previous iterations are too low to get them a passing score. Other than that, if your score ends up in 70s, right, somewhere in 70, I think that's a good score, right? And then if it's 75 to 85, that's like excellent, and 85 to 90, that will be the top of the class. So 90, 85 to 90 above. So that's the range that of distribution in terms of scores. So I'm pretty much confident. I've not computed the scores yet, but I'm confident that most of you will get a good score. Okay. So that's something I wanted to say. And do you guys have any comments for me or something? Okay. Please feel free to walk up to me personally, and if you have some conflict in scores or attendance, my office is 7 to 6. I'll be there almost all summer, other than sometimes that I'll be traveling to do my conference things. Please do send an email to me first before you come, so I can be on my desk instead of a meeting somewhere else. Okay. Other than this, I wanted to say during summer 2019, starting July 2nd to August 27th, I am teaching a 3-credit course. That's a master. I'm teaching a 3-credit course. That's a master course on academic writing and presentation skills. So if anybody is interested, you can take this course, and we can work in the summer on this. And other than this, in the fall semester, I'm teaching from September 9, 2019 to January 10, 2020. I am going to teach database management systems as a course. However, this course is full in the first selection period. So I've already had like many emails, around 30, 40 emails. This number is full. So, but I will give you an option if students who have taken my course previously, because they know my style, if you guys want to take, I will give you more preference than the other people in the pool waiting to take my course in the second and third iterations. Okay. So this is something I wanted to share. Other than that, during the summer, we will be actively running our virtual reality project. So these are 2 of our interns. Can you stand up? So, okay, the interesting thing is they are from the place I get my first master's from, University of Delhi. I am from batch 2009. They are from batch 2019. So they're 10 years younger than me, and they work in my lab now as our interns. So that's something that's interesting. So we are doing some pretty cool stuff. I'll show you guys. So this is one of our early prototypes. We are using virtual reality to make a virtual assistant, kind of. So this is for Mega International Commercial Bank that we're building. So it's a very early prototype, but it's kind of cool wherein the virtual character can go get some banking services to a virtual teller. So that's the idea here. The more detailed versions are in my website. I'll share with you later on. And other than this, right, you don't have to actually build projects to come hang out with us. So these are some school students that come to visit us from the school that's close to Chinta, right? So we can just play some video games, or you can just look at some prototypes that we are building and then just play around, and it's kind of fun. So if you guys are interested during the summer, you can always come walk with us, and it's pretty immersive. What we're doing is we are using a 360-degree camera technology to build realistic images on top of virtual characters. So it's very, very, very interesting and very immersive. So this kid is trying to say hi to a virtual character on the screen, and eventually, if you see, right, he moves extremely close to the wall like that, and then he's saying hi and expecting a response. So that's how interesting it is. So it's kind of fun. So you guys can, even if I'm not in the office, you guys can come hang out with our interns and then get some knowledge, try to work on something, and you know what I mean, or just play some games, you know. So that's something I wanted to share. And I have a GitHub IO web link now. I share all my prototypes there, all my research progress, and so on. Even if I don't end up teaching Jingta for a long time, you guys could always contact me using that and follow my updates. Okay, thank you for an awesome semester. If you guys have anything that you want to share, you can come talk to me later on.